How to replace a headlight in a 2016 HRV. You're gonna need a new headlight. You can get one of these at any auto parts store, AutoZone, Napa, Advance, you name it. First, we're gonna come in here and open the hood. And these have like a little latch underneath the hood, push to the side. We want to replace this one, so it's going to be in the back here. Yeah, it's going to be this one, and we'll just see. Oh wait, first take this rubber cover off. And it has like a little clip here that comes out like so. You just push it like that, it goes to the side, and then the light comes out. There. Old light. Alright, so we're gonna come over here and put the light in. So, and put the clip down around it, like so, and then put the rubber boot on this plug-in, and then plug it into the prongs and fit the rubber boot over it. Now let's test it. Headlamps on. Both on. All good. Like and subscribe.